So Asim, you're in Goa now,
Yeah.
and you're planning to hold this conference called Nalcon in 2010.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what it's going to be about?
It's purely going to be about security and hacking. So the basic idea is to have a technical conference.
Security and hacking.
Yeah, technical conference on any topic related to computer security, and it has to be vendor neutral. So
Yeah.
there shouldn't be any product pitching or being done
Yeah.
on your conference. So any research that people in the IIT or people in other institutes that people are doing in India. So the idea is to bring that research to the masses,
Yeah.
so to the industry.
Yeah.
So that's all the idea is to build up a community within India where you have a lot of security researchers working on a common goal.
How big is the community already?
Community is right now it's around 430 members.
Yeah.
And we have around 3 active chapters right now. So we
Okay.
started with Pune,
Yeah.
we moved to Bangalore, and recently we have just opened the Bhopal chapter. Now we are looking at other cities like Hyderabad and Bombay.
So when you actually set it up, how long back was it, and what were your goals?
We actually officially launched it in last Bar Camp Pune.
Yeah.
So at that time it was I think just about 10 to 15 members unofficially
Yeah.
talking to each other, kind of a very closed community where people are talking about security related stuff, something that is really sensitive.
Yeah.
So we thought of having a community where people are free to talk about all these sensitive issues like
Yeah.
cyber warfare,
Yeah.
okay, or vulnerability research or any new exploit they have found, because these kind of things are looked down upon in India.
Yeah.
Nobody is actively involved. There are people who are doing a lot of good research on it, but then they're not actually sharing it with the community.
As far as India goes, is there a critical mass of people working in this field, or is it still small?
Definitely, when you talk about India, see, when you talk about outsourcing,
Yeah.
a lot of work is actually coming to India, and we are actually developing the core technology. So we have the core expertise in almost all fields inside technology. So why not security? I mean, where are we lagging behind?
But is it
That's-
there already, or does it need to be built up further?
The actual technology part and actual researchers working in India, yes, it's already there. It's only about motivating those people and getting them under one banner, so where they can share their experiences and build up a strong community.
And how old is Nalcon? I mean, any earlier conferences?
No,
or is-
Nalcon is our first effort towards organizing an international hackfest here in Goa,
Yeah.
and it's a totally community-driven effort. So
Yeah.
we are a non-profit organization. We don't have anything to do with money. So whatever money, if any, is generated, will go back into the community.
And why Goa?
To be frank, personally, I think Goa is the best place to hold a conference where people would love to come visit Goa. It has a lot of heritage also. It has a lot of tourism attraction also. So apart from conference, there are a lot of other things to visit in Goa. So if you talk about Bangalore, if you talk about cities like Delhi and Pune, Mumbai, they're already hosting a lot of conferences.
Yeah.
But there's nothing other than conference
The
to look
city.
forward to.
The city.
Yeah. So I think Goa is the right place to tap right now.
And
because
this is February.
this is February 6th and 7th, 2010.
All the best.
All right, thank you.